You might want to get in on this. Thanks. I, Nature Cat, firmly believe that there is no swamp thing.
Wait, why? How? And why? There should be, though. Why?
A few reasons. One, the stinky smell came from the skunk cabbage, not swamp thing. Two, the gurgle birds came from teeny tiny things that live in the swamp mud, not swamp thing. And three. Well, I don't really have a three at the moment, but if you... Let me just finish here. Thanks, Squeeze. So, in conclusion, I, Nature Cat, believe there is no such thing as swamp thing.
Nature Cat, behind you.
Oh, how do you do, kind sir, with the gnarled, creepy hand? Gnarled, creepy hand. Swamp thing!
Swamp Thing's got me! Swamp Thing's got me too!
Oh no, Swamp Thing's got me too, also!
Just as I suspected. Fear not, I, Nature Cat, am here to save the day. Tally-ho!
Nature Cat, you saved us from Swamp Thing's hands!
On the contrary, Hal, these aren't Swamp Thing hands. These are just tree branches.
The hands are just trees? So there really is no Swamp Thing.
I knew it because my best friend Mary the dog knows a dog whose best friend's sister's best friend's cousin, best friend's brother, who just so happens to be my best friend Mary the dog, said there was no creature.
I, Nature Cat, hereby proclaim this swamp is Swamp Thing free.
Woohoo! Well then what are we waiting for? Let's keep exploring the swamp.
Let's do it!
Onward and onward!
And so, after proving that Swamp Thing does not exist, I am ready to debunk all the other monster legends. Bigfoot, Loch Ness Monster, and Abominable Snowman, look out! I'm coming after you.
Yes, and I'll be along to help. Nothing scares me anymore.